welcome to the channel. I'm Gracefully Tori, and I'm excited to have you. Over the last couple of months, I have been binge watching a ton of Natalie Caitlin's videos. My goodness, I have to admit that she is the queen of productivity. The way she manages her schedule is on point, and I felt very encouraged, even though I'm a night owl, to try out her morning schedule and see how I fare with it. And like always, I had to bring you guys along on the journey. Let's get into the video. So we kickstart the day off at 5 a.m. I must admit, getting out of bed took me a couple of minutes. It was a hassle because, like I said, I am a night owl, so I was only in bed at like 2 a.m. She then proceeds to the kitchen to brew herself a nice warm cup of hot water and lemon, something I think that we should all be doing. After making our lemon and water concoction, we then head into bed to listen and watch sermons until the sun comes up. My favorite part. If you haven't already, I encourage you to watch any of Stephanie Ike's sermons. This woman is something special. Moving right along, we then proceed back to the kitchen after listening to our amazing, empowering, and charging sermons to make our first meal of the day, which is going to be a bowl of cereal. I must admit that I have a personal, intimate relationship with granola like muesli, and I have it almost every time. One thing I should mention is that I'm the kind of person that eats the same thing every single day until I run out. I also added some chia seeds, which I put in almost everything, and milk to go. We then head back into bed to plan out the rest of the day. I was enjoying my sermon so much that as I was planning, I was actually still listening to the sermon. Typical multitasker. Once we are done, we get our lives, make our bed, and then head to the bathroom to do our skincare routine, which for me takes literally under 5 minutes because it is that simple. One thing that fails me till this day is how bathrooms all over always have the best lighting. I mean, talk about bathrooms in a restaurant or in a hotel and even in our homes. My goodness, the lighting is the things. Sometimes I actually wish I could record my YouTube videos right here. I mean, look at it. Shout out to my friend Gumi who makes these incredible sweaters. I will leave a description down below if you'd like to get one. Once we're all ready and fresh, we then head over to our workstation to start ticking off all the boxes that we had outlined in our to-do list. And even though it was the weekend when I made this video, I did have work that I did not want to carry into the new week, so I got a head start onto that. Talk about a focused queen. Around 10 a.m. it's time to make breakfast, and I must say I can't believe how much I've gotten done. Like I said, I eat the same thing almost every day, so this is one of the things that I love, love, love to eat. On top of our bread we have a little bit of cheese, eggs, baby spinach and chia seeds, and a little side of mushrooms, and of course frothy coffee. Now that we're all fueled, we head back to our station and continue with the work that we had to do. Since all my boxes were ticked, I took this time to do a bit of journaling, something I really, really love doing. Comment down below if you love writing. I spend so much time putting pen and paper together. It's such a refreshing and rewarding feeling. You should try it. Oh, then I took a 2-minute break to stretch a little bit and make myself another cup of coffee. Hi! And while we're still here, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video after you finish watching it with everyone who will listen. Road to 500 subbies! Do let me know down below if you'd be interested in me making a video specifically about journaling and keeping a prayer journal. I then took some time to read the Bible because before heading over to watch a live sermon. I have no idea why the screen is rotated, but anyway, I wanted to share with you a bit of what was shared during this sermon. Ruti was speaking about the importance of working out your salvation, especially during this time of isolation, this time of COVID-19, where many of us feel tired and fatigued and we feel like we are about to throw in the towel. This and so much more was all under the title, Come Let Us Return to the Lord Before It Is Too Late, taken from Hosea chapter 6 verses 1 to 3. And that is how we close off this amazing morning routine from TheStylishMed. I can't believe how much I got done under so little time. At 12 o'clock she works out, but I had to unfortunately omit that step because I needed to make lunch for the people in my life. I vouch for this morning routine 100%, and if you'd like a more detailed appreciation of this routine, do hop over to her channel. Till we meet again next time, stay blessed, stay safe. Bye!